And what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're looking at a lapel mic for your YouTube channel. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android, and a bunch of unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. And today we're looking at the Maono AU101. It's a Lavalier microphone, and basically you'll be able to start your YouTube channel just using one of these. You don't need any wireless technology or anything like that. You'll be able to get your audio as close as possible attached to your body. In today's time where everything is online, this is something that you will definitely need. So let's go ahead and check this out and see how well it does compared to our Rode Micro mic. Right now we are using the Rode Micro, so just take note of that, and we're gonna test it out and see how well this does. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Here we go. So one of the best things about this, even though it's a fairly cheap price microphone, is the packaging. They really care about the packaging. As you could see, it has a very nice packaging right here. Put that on the side. Silica gel, don't need that. The other thing that they gave us is the battery, so that's a good addition for sure. There you go. Just put that on the side for now. Here, there's some literature. It says there to share your experience writing a review on Amazon, even an email if you need any help. They have a support email, and they have a Facebook page as well. Some instructions for you if you have no idea how to use it. There you go. This can also be used on your smartphone, on your PC, on your camera, camcorder, whatever how old it is. As long as it has a microphone jack, you'll be able to use this. And the other thing is it comes with a bag. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what's inside the bag. Oh, look at that. It has a pin for your, so that you can put your Lavalier on your body. Be able to clip this on your shirt. Something like that. Pretty good. Put that on the side for now. Now let's take a look at how long of a wire this is. There you go. Boom. Another clip. Comes with two clips, so that's pretty good. Just in case you lose one or you break one, then you're still good. It also comes with two foams, just in case it does go away, and you'll be able to still use that. And it also comes with the battery. Let's put that on the side. Now here it comes with two different jacks. This one is the one for, let's say you're using a mixer, one with this type of connection, you'll be able to use that there. And this one is the one that you would normally use for your camcorders, smartphones, and any devices really. So that's pretty cool. Let's put that on the side for now. I won't be able to really use that today. Today we're just going to use mainly the Lavalier. It's nice they also give us the Velcro here. Same with this one, it comes with the Velcro. So that's pretty good. And then you would choose a tip that you want. So I just used whatever I want here. You can also use this. This has a bigger kind of looking form there. I think they're the same really. It's just one is slightly kind of looks bigger, I guess. Whatever. It'll work. And then you just put the clip right here. There you go. So now let's go ahead and test this out. So to open this, to put on the battery, you just twist it and you'll be able to install the battery. Just like that. As you can see there, it's already installed. So they gave us an extra battery. That's pretty cool. Let's put that back now and let's see how it does. Right now you're hearing the DJI Osmo Pocket native mic, and then we're gonna install this on the DJI Osmo Pocket. What you'll need is one of these converters right here, and then you'll see you'll just plug this in there, and then you plug this into the DJI Osmo Pocket. So let's go ahead and do that and see the difference on the quality. Turn that on. There you go. And let's test it out. There you go. This is a mic test for a Maono AU101. So is this better than the DJI Osmo Pocket mic? Check, check, check. There you go. Now, right now, the mic, the sound is coming from the Rode Micro on our Panasonic G9. What we'll do is we'll attach this Maono mic Lavalier onto our Panasonic G9 as well and see how it compares with the Rode Micro. Right now we are listening to the Maono AU101 directly connected to the Panasonic G9. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And that's it for today, guys. I hope I was able to help you on making your choice on what kind of mic you need for your YouTube channel. Right now, I am still using the Maono AU101, and I think it's not bad of a lavalier, especially for the price, especially on how much you pay for it. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Share this to your friends who wants to start a YouTube channel as well. If you are vlogging, this is a perfect mic for you. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace!